What you doing?
Yeah.
Let's see this. What you doing?
Doing E.
Are you tracing the letters? Oh, look at that. What a good duck. Look at this. Look. He's tracing letters. Good job. What a good deal. What's that? Big H and small H? Or is it I? Oh, a I.
I.
I. Oh, good job.
J. Oh, I. Okay.
It's like lightning and snow. I freaking iceberg volcano. It's like a hot chocolate culotta. Just for the cup. Hot chocolate goes chill with the Dunkin' Donuts hot chocolate culotta. Hurry and cool off today. America runs on Dunkin'. Listen, I've done a lot of shopping for a wireless plan. I shop around a lot. And believe me, the new Walmart Family Mobile Plan is the best. Unlimited talk, text, and web. $40 a month on T-Mobile's nationwide network. $40. $40 a month for unlimited talk, text, and web. We save big. Let me repeat. We save big each month. $40 a month and no contract.
And down the line, yeah.
Yeah.
Good job.
Ask anyone. But it's not too much flavor. Stop. I told you people cannot eat a whole pretzel loaded with that much old flavor. It's against human nature. Just try it.
What's the V?
That's the V.
What's the V?
V is like for what?
What's the no V?
V, yeah.
What's the no
What
one?
starts with a V? Do you know?
What's the no one?
Oh, no, the W's next to it?
What is that?
Oh, that's a small one. Yes, a small V. You got to trace that too. Good job.
Are they wise?
Mm-hmm.
Wise.
Hey, how'd it go last night with my mom?
What?
Duck.
What time did you wake
Duck.
That.
I think he's left-handed. Yeah. Look.
spent the night?
Yeah. After dinner, we watched a rerun of Rockford Files, and then she opened a bottle of cream sherry, and the next thing I know, she was tucking me into your bed.
What a big boy.
You wore my pajamas?
How do you sleep
Okay.
in these things? Silk pajamas on satin sheets. I slid out of the bed like 3 times.
Hey, oh,
What?
it's done.
What's done? The dinner?